Hello, my queens, mis chulas, mis guapas. Welcome to Jenny's... I forgot my name. Take two. Welcome, my queens, to JennyMUPlover. So, this is my first video. And I am a little nervous because I don't know what to say, what to do, or what to do. You know what I mean? Like I don't know.
Clap your hands!
My husband says I don't know how to do that, but
Clap your hands!
I don't know. I might be doing it wrong. Whatever. You guys probably be like, hell yeah, you doing it wrong, because I know I'm doing it wrong. I just don't know how to do it. But anywho, this video right here that you are going to watch is more of a photo shoot slash got kicked out of the mall. So it was pretty cool. It was more like what we were going to do in the beginning was just take pictures, try out the new camera, see how it's gonna work and stuff. But we're like, I told my husband, I was like, let's take a video and see how it's gonna work and what's gonna, you know, see how the at night works, you know, and how the camera works good in the microphone, because we got a microphone as well. But so we went and stuff, we were taking pictures, and then when we were about to take a video, that's when this happened. Oh, that's way too
Super close. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's super close. Just got kicked out. Taking pictures. So we out.
Later.
Deuces.
Security kicked us out, so later.
What happened?
So we went to this mall, and it's like an outside mall, and it's like you walk around the mall and there's like buildings, like stores and stuff. And we were taking pictures. We got a couple of pictures, maybe like 20,
Something like
25,
that.
something like that, right? And this lady that's cleaning, it's not a security guard, she's cleaning, picking up with all the garbage, and we're about to take a video, and she says no professional cameras.
Yeah. So we professional.
You know,
What?
that felt pretty cool. And then before that, there was these little girls. There was like 4 little girls, but 2 of them sat right behind my husband. And what did they say?
They want to know who he was.
Why?
They thought you was famous.
That's so cool. It makes me feel so cool, dude.
Shit.
Like, it made me like giggle. It made me feel so cool. Like, what? I'm about to be there one day if the Lord allows it, right, babe?
Yeah.
But that's pretty cool. My little man's in the bag. Hope you guys cannot see him, you know, because we want to keep it private. Because hubby wants to keep him private because, you know, the world's pretty crazy out there. And YouTube, it's like, you can't have it private. Well, you can have it private, but then, you know, you'll never like,
Nah,
you won't get the likes and the dislikes and the comments and none of that because I have it private, you know. But, where are we going now?
I don't know. Maybe go take a picture somewhere else. I don't know. Pictures came out sweet, but we might go try somewhere else.
Some of them came out pretty good.
Then we gotta get something to eat.
You guys do know that usually we always have a bad side. My bad side is this side, and this is my good side. So we got a couple of pictures. But
I don't got a bad side.
okay, you do know you got a bad side. Which is your bad side? You're the one that said everybody got a bad side. No, you're the one that said. You're the one that said. He's the one that said everybody has a bad side. Comment below if you guys have a bad side and tell me what side.
All right. Peace.
So it's just something simple, something simple, and just know that this is my first time doing a video. I'm nervous. All I'm focusing and looking at right now is a lens. So I don't see myself. I can't see myself. So I did have this little side thing that I could see myself, but I was just looking that way and looking aside and stuff. So I need to look this way, and I need to make sure that I focus and look straight. So long story short, I just want you guys to know that I appreciate your support, and I know I will get some people that will be negative, that will come in here and be like, girl, you don't know what you're doing. I get it. I don't know what I'm doing right now, but I will. But I think that's what everybody goes through in the beginning of their first video. But that's okay, because I will get there. And as far as God wants me to get, I can get to millions and millions of subscribers, or I can get to 200 subscribers, and I'll be okay with that. As far as God wants you to stop it and be like, girl, I want you to stop right here, because you're doing too much, okay? But that's it. I just want you guys to know that hopefully you guys enjoy my first video, and know that I appreciate all the love and support that you guys give me. I know I'm nobody, right? I know I'm nobody, but you guys support me and love me and like my looks and all that kind of stuff. So I appreciate you guys. All I want you guys to do is subscribe, like this video, and comment below so you guys can get a shout out on my next video. And let me know what you guys want to see next. You know, you guys want to see makeup, what do you guys want to see? You guys want to see food, you guys want to see, you know, what kind of stuff do you guys want to see? You know, just let me know and I will get back to you. Okay, so thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.